So here I've cut some of this drywall out of here, and then so you can see where that nail right there is. So that's the stud, the vertical stud, which should be over here. And then if you look down, I cut all this over here out, this guy here out. And of course this is, up here is where the drywall was damaged, and here it's not. So the temptation might be, well, I'll just patch the stuff up here. I really need to take all this out here, and then there's some spray foam that was put in here. That's going to grind that out. The reason being, I really do need to get a stud in this corner so that you can anchor this drywall to that corner, and also a stud here to anchor the new drywall over here. But also, if I mount cabinetry in this corner, I'm going to want a stud to connect to. And right now, if I just patch up this top part and leave this down here, there's no stud on either side here to connect to, so that has to be corrected. So I got to cut this drywall out right here. Here's some of that spray foam stuff. I'm going to grind that out, clear all this up, get the studs in there, put insulation back in there, and patch it.